Hey everybody, Nate here with Kärcher. Today I want to introduce you to the latest innovation from Kärcher. This is the Kärcher CleanWave, an industrial duty battery operated pressure washer. This is a 72 volt lithium-ion battery package running an industrial pressure washer. 3.5 gallons a minute at 4,000 PSI. So you can take this package anywhere you want and not have to run an engine, not have to plug it in. Complete mobile package. Here we've got it mounted on our TRK 3500 trailer. So we've got a 200-gallon water tank, hose reels on the back, so completely mobile. Use it anywhere you need to. If you want more information on this machine, please reach out to your local Kärcher manager.